Hi there guys, today we'll be looking at my recently refurbished Premier Mini. This machine has had a new cable, a new motor, and a full strip down clean. The filter's been washed, and it's also got a genuine Premier dust bag fitted as well, and it works really quite nicely. So let's just take a look. We'll take the wand off. We'll knock the wand over. It's just a Henry wand and floor tool on this at the moment. I do need to get myself a genuine one, but that will do for now. We'll just unscrew the hose. This is also a new hose end as well, as you can see, very shiny. I got given that by someone I know. Right, here it is. It's been fully polished up. The cable entry things come away from the body, but it always does that. But yeah, it looks pretty nice. Just quickly release the cable so we can have a closer look at the machine. Here's the cable. It's just a 10-meter Henry cable, so it's quite a long cable now. There you go, this top of the machine. It's quite scratched, but it was used commercially. The green bin area is quite dented as well, but that is from use. I do believe this one's from the 90s, I think it's from the 90s. Right, let's just remove the 3 retaining clips that hold on this metal chrome dome, which sticks on, so you do need to wiggle it off. There you go, it's quite clean. There's a bit of dust in there, but it won't affect the machine. Here's the dust bag. It's a genuine Premier Products dust bag in there. There you go. It's Premier Products. It's replacement dust bag. It fits the Mini 175, Mini 175PH, Mini 175E, DMV 175, DVU 140 and DVU 540. So I believe, yeah, one is a scrubber, not a scrubber, a polisher. So you've got the Mini here, you've got the, I think that's the DMV 175, the DUV, oh yeah, you can see the all the numbers there, and I think this one is a backpack one, I'm not too sure. There's a filter in there, all nice and clean. I'll just take this off for you. There you go. It's pretty clean in there. It's got a bit more suck than it originally had when it came out of the factory, due to I fitted a Monster 1200 watt pneumatic twin flow motor to this. Same that would be fitted to Henry's from 2004 to 2014, so it's very powerful. Just right out of one of the twin speed ones. That's it, that goes in there, and there's your bag in there. So let's put the top back on. We put it around this way. It fits whatever way you want, that way, that way. Well, it won't fit upside down, or will it? It probably will fit upside down, to be fair. And it actually does. I don't know if the clips will go on, but you know, we try those things. That's it. Turn it around. We've got the sticker on the back. We've got the spring, the cable restraint thing. You know, it doesn't really work because it still pulled the cable out. So here's the plate on the machine. It's a Premier Products machine division, Cheltenham, England. It's model 175. It's 230 volts, 850 watts, and 50 hertz. It's TV radio suppressed. Was, because well, the suppressor was removed by Sam, I think. Serial number is 236314, and it's BS number 5415. It's double insulated. and whatever those other symbols mean. So let's get this plugged in, set up, and we'll give it a little test around this room. So there we go. It sounds very, very similar to the original motor. You can't really tell the difference in between the genuine pneumatic twin flow motor and the genuine Premier motor originally fitted to this, even though they're different watches, excuse me. But yeah, it works quite well. It would be ideal just for a collection piece, as these are quite a childhood vacuum for me. So yeah, there we go. Thank you all for watching. Please like, subscribe if you haven't already, and bye for now.